Hey guys, today we're doing a refreshing drink that's called as a keto lemonade. Let's quickly go and see the ingredients. First, half a cup water, some fresh mint leaves, 2 whole lime, a lime squeezer, Zeevik stevia, some digestive salts, and last but not the least, ice. First, in a blender, so I'm going to be using a whip sip blender. In a blender, I'm going to first add water, about 6 ice cubes, and now I'm going to add some fresh mint leaves. Lastly, I'm going to add 2 whole lime. Next I'm going to add is the digestive salt. It's going to be about half a teaspoon. Lastly, some stevia powder. It's about 1 tablespoon. Last but not the least, it's optional if you want to add. So I'm going to add some roasted cumin powder. That's about half a teaspoon. Now we're going to close the blender and now we're going to whip the same. And our refreshing keto lemonade is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video. Request you to please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell button so that you get intimation about the same. Also request you to please share it with as many friends and people possible so that they get to know about it. We have some awesome and amazing recipes and some great workout. Please do check out. Lots and lots of love.